From your backyard to the great outdoors, there's one thing you're bound to encounter: mosquitoes. Sprays are messy and unpleasant. So instead of stopping mosquitoes on your skin, what if you could stop them in flight before they can bother you? Introducing Thermacell Radius. It surrounds you with a zone of mosquito protection, and it's so easy to use. Radius features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and uses repellent refills that contain a highly effective insect repellent to keep mosquitoes away for hours. First, charge the Radius repeller. Once charged, remove the top from its base. Next, remove the cap from the refill and insert it. Then replace the top. Finally, just push the button. It's that simple. The lithium-ion battery powers an internal heater, which activates the repellent. After just a few minutes, the heat consistently releases fresh repellent, creating a zone of mosquito protection. The Radius also features an auto-off timer that will turn off your repeller after 120 minutes. To activate the timer, simply double-click the button. You should expect 6 to 7 hours of use per charge. Repellent cartridges come in 12-hour and 40-hour refills. To turn off the Radius repeller, just push the button. When traveling or storing your repeller, remove the refill and replace the cap. The Radius repeller can also be put into a lock mode to prevent it from being accidentally turned on during travel. Just hold the button for 5 seconds to start or end the locked mode. So say goodbye to sprays. With Thermacell Radius, there's no scent or open flame, just an invisible zone of mosquito protection. Thermacell stands by its products and their effectiveness with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Thermacell Radius. Turn it on, mosquitoes gone.